during earnings. Those were the headlines that we're tracking for you this evening. But on What's Brewing today, time is running out for cab aggregator Uber that has been operating without a license in Maharashtra. The Supreme Court has ordered the company to apply for a license before the 6th of March. The court has also directed the Maharashtra government to expedite its framework for aggregators. Ashmit Kumar is standing by with more on this. Ashmit, what are you picking up?
Well, just the context, this is with respect to Uber's operation in the state of Maharashtra. As far as those operations are concerned, the Bombay High Court had pulled up Uber and had pointed out that, look, the state of Maharashtra has not developed any rules, so there is no question of a license under Maharashtra rules. And the Bombay High Court noted that there is a sense of lawlessness because neither is Uber compliant with the central government guidelines, and that was a cause of concern. The Bombay High Court, in fact, had passed an order that in the absence of state rules, central guidelines will have to be complied with, and it is that order that got challenged by Uber before the top court. Here again, while the Supreme Court had granted a stay on any adverse action against Uber, allowing them to continue, Supreme Court today noted that it is indeed true that there is no case that has been made by Uber for continuing operations in the state of Maharashtra without a license. There is no question of allowing an aggregator without a license, and with that, the Apex Court has given a very pointed order that as far as the license itself is concerned, the state of Maharashtra, an application can be made before the state by March 6th. This application will have to be considered and a final decision will have to be made by the state by March 20th. But importantly, it's not just Uber that was in the line of sight. The Supreme Court also pulled up the state of Maharashtra, saying that they've been dithering on this issue of formalizing a legal framework, that is sending adverse, that builds uncertainty in the system for the business environment, and therefore is not required, and therefore there is an expeditious need for the state of Maharashtra to come out and to finalize that legal framework for cab aggregators. So a deadline being served for both Uber as well as for the state of Maharashtra.
Well, thank you, Ashmit, for all those details on what's happening with Uber in Maharashtra. Moving on What's Brewing, drone as a service startup Garuda